Why do you do it? It's the one thing I see so often. As a homeowner, you don't know where to get started. You don't know who to bring into a project. So who to hire as far as your contractor goes. I've seen it happen over and over again. We just finished up a project in Winter Park where the homeowner went ahead and hired the wrong contractor and did the worst thing they could possibly do. Paid them tens of thousands of dollars ahead of where they were at in the project. The contractor stopped showing up. So they never got the project finished. It got stopped midway through and they were left with a disaster area of a house until they found us. So let me show you how to avoid that challenge so you're not spending thousands of dollars more than what you need to, or in this case, tens of thousands of dollars more than you need to, and having a project that lasts for a year and a half, which is what their project lasted. I don't want to see that happen to you. Make sure to click on the link below. I can show you how you can make your renovation or remodeling project the easiest, simplest, fastest, most cost-effective project you could possibly do. Just click on that link now. We'll see you there.